Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny, and today I am going to be showing you a kit that I purchased. It was like a grab bag kit during Black Friday. I actually purchased this particular one. It was my first and only order ever through Click Kits. So this was, I'm not sure which month this was. I've played with the kit before because I found some remnants. I think it was only one piece of paper because it looks the same. So anyway, I'm going to be using this. I have gone through and tried to make some pairings of papers. Things that I think coordinate with one another and that I may be able to use for some photos that I still need to scrap. So this one, I love this. It's beautiful. It's from the Goldenrod collection from One Canoe 2. And I love this. The colors in this are beautiful. I know like people would probably have a difficult time, as I initially was like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with that piece of paper. The back is kind of this more whimsical print, but sometimes when you waiting to use stuff isn't always a bad thing. So I do have a picture to tell a story about but it does go with a picture. So I think I'm gonna place the picture somewhere around here. Obviously it's not gonna be, I don't think I'm gonna, it's gonna be I think it's gonna be a pretty simple layout. I don't think I'm gonna put like a lot of stuff to cover up because it's just such a pretty paper, but it's actually a really funny story. So I think I'm gonna try to keep it in this general area, even though I do want to make sure that you can see the road, but it's fine. I think it'll work out. So that one, I just have it set off to the side by itself. I also have this one that I paired up with this text paper, but here you can see the entirety. I really like the combination, so I'm almost like thinking that I can use pieces of both of them to make a really simple 2-page layout. Sorry, yep. Don't you just love, I'm like, I just hit the hangnail just right. So this is from Pink Fresh. Oh, and I didn't even mention who these papers were from. Let me see. This is Dear Lizzie, It's All Good. It's called Seek Magic. This is the A side. This is the B side. And then this green is from Heidi Swapp, Emerson Lane. I knew I don't really care for this, but the green, the tone of green is beautiful. I can even use it with this. Huh. Okay, so I did pick those two together. This is from Pink Fresh. It's called Joyful Day. It's called Being Us. Here's the B side. I picked it for this small floral, and I matched it with this one, which is also from Dear Lizzie, from It's All Good, and it's called Bloomed. I just really like the contrast of these two together like this. I can see myself using that. Again, because I'm thinking of just stretching my supplies, and I have a couple of big bundles of photos, so I think I'm gonna do a two-page layout with that one. Here is the specialty paper that came in here, and I don't remember who it's by. I'm thinking it might be Maggie Holmes, but I could be mistaken. It's just this beautiful vellum gold foiled flowers. I've cut into them already for that previous layout. And then I have these 2 pieces of paper left over, which this tone I love. It's really pretty. And it has these beautiful cut aparts on the back. But I was thinking that if I needed to, I don't think I'm going to use these cut aparts as beautiful as they are. But I was thinking maybe I could use it to mat my photo here, or there's not a whole lot of, I guess there is some of like this corally orange color here. I could maybe use this one as well. I don't know. I'm gonna add that one to that. I was really having a hard time with this one because it is also by Dear Lizzie. It's called It's All Good, and it's called Peachy Keen. But I can't see myself using the peaches, first of all. And I just, it doesn't, for me, for the papers that I've chosen, the sides I've chosen, it doesn't really go. So I think this one may end up just going in my stash and under the blues, and we can see what I can make with these. Let me show you the embellishments. I'm going to set these off to the side. The embellishments that came with the kit are these alphas. Sorry for the glare. They're thickers called Main Squeeze in a gold foil. So put those off to the side. They also came with the One Canoe 2, the Goldenrod collection, the puffy stickers. I think I have some of these in my stash. I'm going to have to go pull them. They came with, just move these. They also came with the One Canoe 2 Goldenrod die cuts. So that's what you see here. I just have a different variety of the die cut pack. And then here are, I don't know who these are by, but they came in just a cellophane envelope. Some just flowers. But let me just show you. They have, if you can see, they have, it's very bulky. So I'm going to end up having to take off this bulk, because if it was something that I was like framing, it would be one thing, but it's not. It is actually a whole bunch of like beads glued together, and not well, because that bead just fell off from me just touching it. So in a scrapbook, I can only imagine like these would really be extremely bulky. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to remove these. I'll probably end up just putting pearls in the center or some kind of enamel dot. Oh, see here, you see they're like these tiny little beads. They got to come off. But they're beautiful. They're beautiful flowers. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to remove all of those. Oh, as the beads keep falling into my little bin. Good thing I have a little bin. They're not flying everywhere. Some of these are already like in rough shape. They're already coming off. And it probably just is the travel, how, you know, how they were packaged and getting tossed around. Yeah. You see, like whole clusters. But anyway, so that's what came in the kit. I may pull in some stuff as I'm working on the layouts. But I have some plans for this. So I'm going to be working with this kit, and stay tuned because I'm also going to show you in the next video, I'm going to show you a paper collection that I'm going to be working with also during the month of September. So I will be working basically with what I'm thinking will probably be 2 kits, this one and the other one, during the month of September, and see how this goes. So tune in till next time and see what I create with this, and see the other kit also that I'm going to be working with. Until next time, bye.